Home remedies to get rid of yellow teeth. Do you feel ashamed of going to the public because of yellow teeth? Then these home remedies are just for you. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has ample health benefits. While it's very helpful for both hair and skin, it can also help you to get rid of yellow teeth. Put few drops of coconut oil on toothbrush and brush your teeth for few days. Over the time, it will reduce plaque buildup on your teeth and will reduce discoloration. Lemon. You can also use lemon to get rid of yellow teeth. Add little salt to some lemon juice and use this mixture on your teeth constantly for 2 weeks. You can easily mark the difference. Baking soda. It's one of the easiest ways to remove yellow spots from your teeth. Prepare a paste at home using 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Use this paste constantly for a week and your teeth will start to whiten. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a prime offender to build up bacteria on teeth and gums. The buildup causes discoloration. So taking vitamin C constantly may reduce discoloration of your teeth.